Okay, so gold prices just crashed. What in the world is going on here? Let's dig in.
So, why are gold prices suddenly falling off a cliff? Let's break down what's really happening.
We're talking a 24% drop since January. That's huge. So, what exactly happened?
Well, the short answer is pretty simple. People started cashing in their chips, big time.
Here's how it went down: prices hit a record high, and then a bunch of futures contracts expired.
Think of it this way: you buy low, you sell high. Well, everyone decided to sell high all at once. And that initial selling, it created a domino effect of panic selling. It wasn't just gold either. Silver crashed too, falling almost 30% from its own record high price. Ouch. But is that the whole story?
Not even close. There are much deeper economic forces at work here.
You've got to understand the gold-dollar seesaw. When one goes up, the other tends to go down.
So, when the US dollar gets stronger, it takes fewer bucks to buy gold, pushing its price down. And right now, what's happening? The US dollar is getting stronger, putting pressure on gold. But if we zoom out, there's a huge global trend that could flip this whole thing on its head. It's called de-dollarization. Basically, countries are trying to rely less and less on the US dollar. And what are they buying instead? You guessed it, gold. This could be a huge deal in the long run.
Don't forget, gold is also fueled by fear. When people get nervous, they buy gold as a safe bet.
And right now, well, there's a lot of fear out there, which actually supports higher gold prices. So this brings us to the big question: should you buy gold now? Is this a golden opportunity?
Well, the advice from our source material is pretty direct. Yes, you should buy. It's a good opportunity.
With the price falling to a much more attractive level, it's definitely a tempting entry point for buyers. But, and this is a major warning, you have to be cautious. The market is super volatile right now. So the key takeaway is do your own homework, always. Use your own judgment before investing.
Which leaves us with this final thought. As the world changes, will gold's oldest rival remain its biggest influence?